What if you could own a feature-packed FPV drone with dual cameras, obstacle avoidance, optical flow hovering, and cinematic aerial shots, all without spending a fortune? Today on Caring Guy, we're checking out the all-new 2026 B11 Pro FPV Drone, a foldable Wi-Fi drone that promises stunning aerial photography, beginner-friendly controls, and smart flight features usually found on much more expensive models. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. At first glance, the B11 Pro looks surprisingly modern and premium. Its foldable design makes it compact enough to fit into a backpack, making it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and casual flying sessions. Despite its lightweight body, this drone packs a long list of intelligent features designed to make flying easier and more fun. One of the biggest highlights is the dual camera system. The drone comes equipped with a high-definition, wide-angle camera capable of capturing aerial photos and videos from impressive perspectives. You can switch between cameras during flight, giving you multiple viewing angles for creative shots. The B11 Pro also supports up to 50x digital zoom, allowing you to get closer to distant subjects without physically flying too near. Combined with real-time Wi-Fi FPV transmission, you can see exactly what the drone sees directly on your smartphone. For social media creators, travel vloggers, and casual photographers, that's a huge advantage. Flying a drone can be intimidating for beginners. Thankfully, the B11 Pro includes intelligent obstacle avoidance technology. The sensors help detect obstacles and reduce the chances of accidental collisions while flying. While it shouldn't replace careful piloting, it definitely adds an extra layer of confidence for new users. Another useful feature is optical flow positioning. This system helps the drone maintain a stable hover position, especially when flying indoors or in areas where GPS signals may be weak. The result? Smoother footage, easier control, and more stable aerial photography. The B11 Pro is loaded with intelligent flight functions. You get one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, follow flight mode, gesture photography, trajectory flight, speed switching, 360-degree flips and rolls. For beginners, one-key takeoff and landing makes the learning curve much easier. For experienced pilots, the stunt modes add extra excitement to every flight session. The trajectory flight feature is especially interesting. Simply draw a route on the app, and the drone automatically follows the path you've created. It's an easy way to create smooth, cinematic shots. The follow flight function allows the drone to track your movement automatically. Whether you're walking, cycling, or exploring outdoors, the drone can keep you in the frame while recording. This makes it ideal for solo content creators who don't have someone else behind the camera. The B11 Pro features a large capacity battery designed to maximize flight time. While actual results vary depending on wind conditions and flight style, you can enjoy enough airtime for extended photo sessions and multiple flights before needing a recharge. The brushless motor design also helps provide smoother operation, improved efficiency, and better durability compared to traditional brushed motors. One thing I really like about this drone is portability. When folded, it becomes compact and easy to carry. Whether you're heading to the beach, mountains, park, or simply your backyard, the B11 Pro is ready to travel with you. Let's summarize the strengths. Foldable portable design, dual HD camera system, Wi-Fi FPV live transmission, intelligent obstacle avoidance, optical flow hovering, follow me mode, gesture photography, trajectory flight, one-key takeoff and landing, 360-degree stunt flips, beginner-friendly controls. A few things to keep in mind. Obstacle avoidance works best in ideal conditions. Digital zoom isn't the same as optical zoom. Wind performance may vary depending on weather. Best suited for recreational and entry-level aerial photography. So, should you buy the B11 Pro FPV drone? If you're looking for an affordable, foldable drone with smart flight features, dual cameras, FPV capability, obstacle avoidance, and beginner-friendly controls, the B11 Pro delivers impressive value for the price. It's fun, easy to fly, packed with useful features, and suitable for both new pilots and casual aerial photography enthusiasts. For travel, family adventures, and everyday drone fun, the B11 Pro is definitely worth considering.
Thanks for watching this review on Caring Guy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews, tech gadgets, and amazing products from around the world. See you in the next video.